What's up everyone, welcome back to the Crash YouTube channel where we break down the FL Studio presets and we show you how to get a better mix for yourself. In this video we're going to be breaking down the Convenience, Jaydes Adlib and Main preset. And just to let you know, I don't sound anything like Jaydes, and I also made the preset by ear, so it's not going to be completely accurate. So let's get right to the DAW. So I put the song through an isolator and I got the beat and then I made this cover.
You know exactly what you're doing, yeah. She don't give a fuck. She broke my heart, but they got my money up. And I think I smoke too much, cause I can't run for you anymore. Behind closed doors, I stay down. Can't believe you do this to me.
I have a lisp, and I also fucked up the bar, so I can just play it without the mix real quick, and then you can hear it, how horrible it sounds. It looks like it's a lot, but I swear that it's just like nothing.
You know exactly what you're doing, yeah. She don't give a fuck. She broke my heart, but they got my money up. And I think I smoke too much, cause I can't run for you anymore. Behind closed doors, I stay down. Can't believe you do this to me. She don't give a fuck.
Then if I play the vocals just with the preset, with no instrumental, hold on.
You know exactly what you're doing, yeah. She don't give a fuck. She broke my heart, but they got my money up. And I think I smoke too much, cause I can't run for you anymore. Behind closed doors, I stay down. Can't believe you do this to me. She don't give a fuck. She broke my heart, but they got my money up. And I think I smoke too much, cause I can't run for you anymore. Behind closed doors, I stay down. Behind closed doors, I'm like down. I swear that you're only here when you need me. I swear that you're only here when you need me. Swear that you're only here when you need me. When it's convenient.
So I'll just break down the vocals real quick. I got these ad-libs playing. And then this harmony. And this harmony too. Yep.
Can't believe you do this to me.
And all this is included inside of the preset pack, so you don't have to worry about all that.
She don't give a fuck. She broke my heart, but they got my money up. And I think I smoke too much, cause I can't run for you anymore. Behind closed doors, I stay down. Can't believe you do this to me.
And the mix is just like a really dry, clear preset with some nice ad-libs.
She don't give a fuck. She broke my heart, but they got my money up. And I think I smoke too much, cause I can't run for you anymore. Behind closed doors, I stay down. Can't believe you do this to me.
So for this preset, all you really need is just FL Studio, which is pretty much the main reason you're watching this video. OTT, which is a free plugin that's going to be linked in the description. And Autotune, which is included inside of the preset pack that you can just drag into your VST plugins folder. And we're getting real close to 1,000 subscribers, and like I said in my vocal chop video, I'm gonna be giving out free presets when we hit 1K on this channel. And the FL21 and 20 preset versions will be linked in the description depending what FL you use. You can also comment some recommendations for artists that you want to hear, and that's the end of the video. See you next one.